national emergency alert system has been activated. Please listen to the incoming information. This is not a test. This is not a test. The United States government and NASA have detected up to 7,000 unidentified flying objects enter our atmosphere at an alarming rate. The aircraft were spotted by the United States Air Force 15 minutes ago and are hovering over the United States and Canada. They are not confirmed to be hostile at this time. But that may change. This broadcast will now silence for your safety. This is an emergency action notification.